your seats, ready? Go. Yo guys, welcome back to the gang. It's your boy Durag, and in today's video we're going to be reviewing the AIRMAX 270s. Yes sir, no cap on them. By the way, if you want this Durag, this Gucci Durag, the link will be down in the description. You get 10% off if you use my discount, baby. The code be in the description. Also, you can get up to 50% off on Nike items if you click the link in my description. You feel me? No cap. So, without too much talking, let's get into it.
Yes. Let's get Chacola Melo. Whoa.
Okay, on your seats, ready, go. So yeah, here's the box. You can see the little 720s on it. Let's open it. Yes, sir. These are a piece of work, piece of art, no cap. So, let me bring it closer to the camera. Listen, bro, can't nobody tell me these are not beautiful. Like, look, wow. And you know what's mad? I don't even like red shoes like that. Shoes that have red in it. But this is making me fall in love. It's making me catch feelings. Do you know what I mean? It's so beautiful, man. Even the, oh my god.
Boy, if you don't get
That was crazy. You never saw that, eh? Listen, you never saw that. Wow. This is the shit. No cap. Do you know what I like the most about it? I think it's this part. The red bubble. And also the sides. It's got like a camouflage type of effect to it. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, without too much talking, we're gonna put them on. So yeah, we're gonna put them to the test, baby. Looks are one thing, but feel and comfort and resistance, that's another thing. Yes sir. Okay, so yeah, it feels good, it feels comfortable. What can I say? These are really beautiful shoes. Even like for me looking down, like from where I can see it, it looks so nice. Like I don't even want to take them off. The only thing that puts me off on this shoe is literally, you see the front part here? It's so thin that you can actually see my toes. Like you can see the movement of my toes. That puts me off a bit. Do you know what I mean? And I also feel like if it was to rain or something, which it will definitely do in the UK, yeah, the rain is gonna go through it. Do you know what I mean? Which leads me to the conclusion that this is a shoes for the summer. And me, when I look at shoes, you know, it has to fill up certain criteria in order for me to buy them. Except it's loafers, you know what I mean? Except from that, they're really beautiful. But this is basically the main reason why I don't think I'll go for them. But except for that, maybe I'll go for them. The only reason why I'll go for them is really and truly because it looks so nice, like, do you know what I mean? It looks nice until I do this though. or that toe activities. But except from that, these shoes are very pink, like they're very nice, you know what I mean? So yeah guys, that was the end of the review. Obviously this shoe is so bang, like it's beautiful, it looks so good in it. But obviously at the end of the day, I mark my shoes by 2 standards, or you can even say 3. Let's just say first of all is looks, which is like minimum of like 50%. Second is comfort, and third is durability. Looks and comfort are good, but the durability, I'm not sure about it. Overall, the like around the shoe is alright, but it's just that top bit I was talking about. You know what I'm saying? I don't know that's good. I don't know if it's gonna make it through the winters. You feel me? So I feel like this shoe is strictly for summer and spring and maybe fall. Do you know what I'm saying? But don't take it through that winter, man. Don't take it through the winter. You're gonna mash up big mountain. But yeah guys, so overall I'll give this shoe a 7.5, and if I want to be generous, I'll give it let's stick to 7.5, but it's very nice, you know what I'm saying? Very beautiful, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. It was your boy, School, and I'm out, baby.
I'm from the Brooklyn XAJ, man mistake with a pen like JK. True say I ain't